How's it going, everybody? Blake from MBK Outdoors here, and today's the opening day of gun deer season here in northern Wisconsin. We're just getting finished up with hunting. I unfortunately didn't really film any of it. We got 2 nice bucks. My dad got a nice 10-pointer, and myself I got an 8-pointer. And get a look at them here. Alright, here's my dad's deer here. Really nice 10-pointer. And then mine right here came in the same group with it. A nice 8-pointer. We got them both this morning. And the nice thing about that is, now hopefully we should be able to do some ice fishing. So that's going to be what's coming up in the rest of the video. Hope you enjoy. Alrighty. Well, we're out on the ice here. Nice afternoon after opening day. I'm just going to start off here with a little marmuska tungsten jig tipped with some wax worms. And we're going to try to catch some panfish. Oh, that's nice. That should be a pretty decent fish. Just pull and drag on me. Oh, I don't know if this is a bluegill here. Yeah, I don't think this is a bluegill. Must be. If it's a bluegill, it's huge. Pull and drag on me. He's almost up here though. It's not, I don't know. Oh, it is a bass. Oh, there we go. On the wax worm. Check that out. That is awesome. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth here. I don't want to keep him out of the water for too long. Alright, there he is. First bass of the ice season. There we go. Oh yeah, that's nice, whatever it is. Hold on. You want me to... Yeah, grab my deucer if you can.
Yeah, just a second. I'm sliding.
I'm stuck on the corner of the ice.
Okay.
Oh, they are bass. It is a bass.
Nice.
Alright, here's the first fish today. Hooked right in the top corner of the mouth on the little jig. Oh, there we go. Finally. I've been working this mark here for a while. It was a nice big mark, so I didn't want to give up on it. Whatever it is, I think it's pretty decent. Oh, it's a big bluegill. Oh, and I got him. Jesus. That probably was not worth it. But that is a beautiful bluegill. There he is. That's a beautiful bluegill, probably about 8.5 inches. Caught a couple yesterday that were a little bit bigger, but that's a nice one. Holy crap, this guy's just rocketing up after it. Dang! Wish I had a flasher cam on that one. I'm gonna get my deucer out here. He seems big as well. Oh, it's a crappie. Awesome! Multi-species out of one hole. Look at that one with the little ice jig in his mouth. A couple of species out of one hole. That's awesome. Alright, this is what I was out here after, some decent crappies like this, but I haven't been able to find them so far, so this feels good. Oh my gosh, I got one rising right up for it. Oh, that is awesome. I'm in about 12 feet right now. I've got fish coming up to about 5 feet after my jig here. I was fiddling around with my slip bobber. Bang! Oh, that is awesome. That's another nice fish. Okay. That guy came up. Oh, it's a nice bluegill. Not quite as big as the last one, but that guy. We are on him right now. Got him in about 12 feet of water or so, 12, 15 feet. And sun's just starting to go down out here, and they are just chowing. Oh, and I've just got a loaded hole right now. That is awesome. Look at that. They are just charged up right now. Just got back down. Wonder if I don't have enough waxworm on there though. No, that was enough for that one. Missed the hook set though. This guy's just running up to it. Oh, there we go. That's got some weight to it. Oh, nice. This feels great. Oh, that is a big bluegill. Dang. Look at that guy. Alright, that's another about a nice 8-incher. Alright, that is a beautiful looking bluegill. Oh no. Oh, he wants round 2. Boom. Alrighty. I should probably drill myself a second hole sometime for my deucer. Look at him, he is just dogging. Another nice bluegill. Average size has been awesome. Every single fish has been at least 7. A couple close to 8. He just choked it. There we go. Right. Hooked up once again. Oh. Another nice bluegill. Man, that is awesome. Another chunker. Look at this stud. Now that is the quality size we're looking for here. That is just an absolute monster. There we go. Ooh. This one's really dogging. Spinning, doing the bluegill circle though. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Alright, that's another dandy. He's got the fins all splayed out nice for us. It's another 8 or so incher. There's been a lot of those tonight, which is awesome. I'm loving the average size. Oh, he nailed it. Oh yeah. Oh, this one's pulling drag on me. Oh, he's not even that big. He's smaller than the average. Which isn't saying a whole lot, but not as big as I was hoping for. Not gonna lie though, this is definitely the way to do it. Get your bucks tagged out by about 11 in the morning, and then if you're already up here for about 3 or 4 days, get the rest of the time to ice fish. Oh. Okay. There's a big one. That is better. That's closer to the 9-inch mark. Yeah, baby. We're losing light here pretty fast. But this one is a dandy bluegill. Alright, there he is. This guy's probably a little closer to 9 or so. About the second biggest one I've caught so far. Still don't think we broke the 10-inch mark though. Coming right back to it. Ah, he was on it. Oh, twice. It's probably not meaning good things for his size. There we go. Oh, look at that. You don't even put a bend in the rod. Alright. Alright everybody, that's probably about going to do it for today. As you can tell, I'm losing light pretty fast here. I'm still catching some fish, but I'm losing light pretty fast. So, if you enjoyed the video, I'd encourage you to subscribe and stay tuned for another video. Have a good day.